Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Prickly Co. Today I'm going to be discussing rhinestone tumblers. If you haven't already, head over to our Facebook page and check out our stained glass stitch tumbler. It's all the rage right now. When choosing stones, I prefer glass stones, and that's because glass stones have a lot more facets in them which catch and reflect the light in a lot more angles, so it's a lot more sparkly without needing a filter of any kind. These stones here were purchased from Amazon. They come in a pack of 6 sizes, ranging from SS4 to SS12. These particular stones come in a wide variety of colors as well as sizes. I'll post the link in the description and you'll be able to change the color drop down to a lot of different other options. The glue that I prefer to use is Liquid Fusion Heavy Duty. I purchased this from my local Michael's on clearance. It's a 2-ounce bottle. My favorite things about this adhesive is that they are heavy duty, they're water resistant, as well as UV resistant, so I don't have to worry about it showing and discoloring over time. Our next item is a precision applicator bottle. I purchased these bottles in a set of 5 on Amazon. It was a few dollars. I'll post the link in the description. This fine-tipped applicator is perfect for the adhesive. It allows me to get a thin, even line when putting my stones on and making sure that I don't overflood the tumbler. The only downside to these applicator bottles is that because the tip is so small that the glue does dry up inside, at which point you need to unclog in order to continue working. But fear not, a sewing pin, a needle, or a straightened out earring is perfect for getting into that nook and cleaning out the clog. The next tool on my list is a wax pen or wax picker. I purchased this on Amazon. It came with 2, and it is dual-ended. I'll make sure to post the link to this in the description as well. When working with one of these, one end is wax and the other is a metal point. For the wax end, in order to get it primed and ready, I warm the tip up either between my fingers or rubbing it between my palms, and then it's perfect for picking up the rhinestones. Now this pen is dual-ended, so the white tip here at the top is the wax end. The bottom is the precision end. It looks a lot like the applicator bottle, and I use this end for shifting or moving stones as needed, especially if they need more adhesive or if they need to fill in a little bit closer or if I need to fill in any empty space. So now we're going to go ahead and place some rhinestones. Here you'll see I squeeze the applicator bottle in order to get a thin line of adhesive on the part that I'm going to begin outlining. I try to keep it as even, as consistent as possible. Don't worry if you use a little bit too much. It does dry clear and it does not yellow over time, so you will not see it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just use the wax end of the pen to pick up a stone. And then I place the stone directly into the adhesive. Now you can use the wax end to push the stone down into the adhesive, or you can use the precision end to push it down into the adhesive. If you line up several stones at once without pushing it into the adhesive, you can use your finger to push into the adhesive, but no worries if you don't do it that way either. And that's all for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll try to get them answered ASAP. And keep an eye out for part 2 in the near future. Thanks.